Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy English Speaking. So today day 16 of Learn English with me, and today I want to talk about Makarsankranti. As you all know, my friends, it is a very popular and important festival of our culture. That's why today I picked this topic for practice English speaking in front of camera. So let's start. First of all, happy Makarsankranti to all of my friends. Makarsankranti is a very popular festival in India. It is celebrated in the month of January. On this day, the sun moves into the Makar Rasi. People believe this day is very auspicious, and on Makar Sankranti, people fly kites. But to be honest, my friends, in my side, like Bihar and UP, so flying kites is not very popular. But some children are interested with this. But it is not too much popular in my side. And we also eat sweets, making sweets in our room. We all have making many kinds of sweets like jaggery, til, flattened rice. So Makar Sankranti is gives us happiness and positivity in our life. So let's enjoy with our family. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with me and keep practicing. Share, like, subscribe. If you are not watching my videos, please go and watch my videos. Like, subscribe and share. Be the part of my journey. Thank you. See you in the next videos.